Hey guys, I have another Advent calendar unboxing for you. Today we have the Luxury Beauty Advent Calendar created for Macy's. This is a 12-day Advent calendar that retails for $120 and has a value of $293. As I'm filming this, it's actually on sale. If you use the code VIP, you can get it for $102. And Macy's also has a second Advent calendar that is a little less. It retails for $99 and it's a 25-day Advent calendar. It's 25 days of beauty Advent calendar created for Macy's. It retails for $99. With a value of $321, and that one is more contemporary, lower priced beauty products. 25 days, also down to $84.15 with the code VIP if you're interested. I'll link both of them below. So let's go ahead and unbox this. This is not a sponsored video. I bought this myself because I just love Macy's, and look how cute the box is. The layout of this reminds me of the Saks Advent Calendar, and even the design on the outside looks like it's their flagship Macy's Herald Square location. The back of the box. Oh, that's nice. It even has pictures in addition to listing what everything is. So here it is if you're interested. And we'll go ahead and unbox it for you. One thing I really like about the Advent calendar, similar to the Saks Advent calendar, is the satin ribbon closure on the side here is very secure with this plastic tie. So this way you know that it has not been returned. So let's go ahead and cut the plastic off and unbox this. There we go. It also has stickers on the top and bottom. Okay, and here we have a very simple but very clear layout in gold metallic lettering with the burgundy drawers. So let's go ahead and jump into day one. We have MCM, and this is a fairly large size mini. It's 7 ml. So like your standard deluxe mini, I'm going to assume. You know, I have not tried this fragrance. MCM, I don't even know the name of it. It doesn't have the name on here. Oh, that's so cute. It looks like a little handbag. Okay, so this is just called MCM Eau de Parfum Mini in 0.23 ounce, and it is a dab bottle. I really had to like pull this up. Oh, this is actually really good. I've never tried this. I have to look up the notes, but it's like a very sweet, fruity floral, like a bit of a candy, like sugary vanilla fruity floral. Okay, day two, we have right here a deluxe mini of the Lancome Absolute Soft Cream in the 5 ml. I don't know if I've used this. Now from the description, the full name is the Lancome Absolute Revitalizing and Brightening Soft Cream. So if you're a fan of this, that's great. I don't know if I've tried this, but I can try it. Oh, it smells good. Okay, I'll try this. Day three is this wide drawer right here. And we have SK2 Facial Treatment Mask. Okay, I love face masks. This is described as a radiance and moisture boosting mask. I'm going to assume it's one of those like cellulose face masks. You leave this on for 5 to 15 minutes. Okay, I love face masks. I will definitely try this out. These are also great. I like when they're individually packaged this way for like a home spa day. Or also if you have a long international flight, I love to do face masks while I'm on a flight, just because, you know, international travel, planes, they dehydrate your skin. I haven't tried this one, so if you guys have tried it, let me know, but I will test this out and keep you updated. Down here for day four, we have from Peter Thomas Roth, the Potent C Power Serum. I love using a C serum. I always apply one in the morning, and I have not tried this one. So let's try it out. This is perfect size for travel, big enough to really test it out. Okay, it took some time to come out, but that's what it looks like. So it's like whitish C serum. Doesn't really smell like anything, which is good. So there's no added fragrances, but I like their Cloud, I think it's called Cloud Cream, and their toner. So I will try this out and bring this along with me. I'm traveling soon, so I need a new C serum. Okay, day five is this big box right here. And for day five, okay, we have the Armani Eye Tint Chrome Liquid Metallic Eye Color. This is in the shade Rose Gold. I don't know if this was in the Armani Advent Calendar. I really like these one swipe eye shadow colors. It's just like a one and done. You just sweep this all over your lid and it just gives you like a really nice bright, you can, you know, sheer it out if you want, or you can layer it on, but that's what it looks like. This would be a pretty eyelid color, or you can dab it on just the center. Very pretty. Day 6 is up here, and we have the YSL Touche Éclat Blur Primer And I think this is the original one with like the gold flecks. I used this all the time. I wore this every single day for years. It's so pretty. This was when I wore more of a full face makeup. I haven't really used it as much recently because I just am tending to not wear a primer. I just use a skin tint. But if you wear like a heavier foundation or full face foundation, this is a nice primer. The primer itself in the bottle has these really pretty gold little flecks, and then it just kind of shears out on your skin, and it helps to blur out your pores, but without making you super matte. These are really expensive too. I'm not sure what this mini size sells for, but they do sell this size and it's pricey. So if you like primers, I recommend this one. Day 7 is over here, and we have, oh, Virtue. I love Virtue hair care. This is the Virtue Healing Oil. I own the full size of this already, so it's nice to have a travel size. This is a 9 ml or 0.3 ounce, but this is supposed to help protect your hair. It helps make it shiny. I tend to have split ends and like frizziness, and it just kind of smooths your hair down without weighing it down and making it look flat. Okay, so that's it. It's nice that that has the little stopper on there. I'm gonna put some in my hair right now, but that's the texture. It's just like a light oil. Day 8 is right here, and we have the Estee Lauder Re-Nutrive Ultimate Diamond Transformative Energy Eye Cream. I love a good eye cream. I'm going to test it out right now. There is the package, very pretty. That's the texture. I like a very creamy eye cream. Like, I don't like when it's hard to put on. Like, I like when it's more of a gel consistency, kind of like this. Day 9 is down here. We have the Clé de Peau Softening Cleansing Foam. So a cleanser. Oh, it's a cleansing mousse. I wonder if this is like the Chanel La Mousse. I love the texture of that cleanser, but let me see. Oh, okay. It's almost like a lotion. Okay, I have to try this out. I'll keep you updated, but I'll let you know. My test for cleansers is it has to be able to take all my makeup off gently and not irritate my eyes. So we'll see. I haven't tried this yet. Down here we have day 10. And for day 10, we have one of my favorite YSL fragrances. It's the YSL Lieb Le Parfum. So this is the more concentrated, more intense version than the Lieb Eau de Parfum or Eau de Toilette. It's a darker juice. It's a little stronger. It lasts a little longer. But let's just first admire the bottle. So it's a deluxe miniature of the full-size bottle. The full size has the YSL embossed all the way around. Like, I don't know if it's metal, maybe it's plastic, but it's like a 3D effect. This one is flat, but it's still very pretty. And then you have the little gold necklace around the top there. Yes, so this is a dab bottle, so you have to be careful not to spill it. I love this. I actually just bought for my husband the YSL Myself for men. It's a men's cologne, but it has like a similar DNA to the YSL Lieb for women. And then they also have the new Lieb Intense. It's like the strongest, but it's the sweetest. I like the whole collection. Day 11 is down here. Oh, okay, yay, Tom Ford. So we have a Tom Ford mini lipstick, and I'm going to assume it's Casablanca, and it is. This is like Tom Ford's version of Pillow Talk, Charlotte Tilbury's Pillow Talk. It's such a popular, like a dark neutral pink. It's just such a flattering color, and even on me, I have medium tan skin. It shows up on me, so that's it. Very pretty color. I have a few samples of these already, but I like this. I like the tiny size because it fits in my little evening bag. And then for the 12th and final day of this 12-day luxury beauty advent calendar, we have, ooh, look at that. We got a bunch of little goodies in here. So the grand finale, we have 3 things. First up, we have a $10 off your next $40 beauty purchase. I love that they do this. It's similar to the Sephora favorite sets where you pay for like a little sampler. You get samples and then you try it out, and then you get a voucher to redeem towards your purchase. And then it says valid in store or online, one-time use from January 1st until June 15 of next year. And then 2 brand new things I've never tried from Carolina Herrera. I did not even know she made beauty cosmetics products. I thought she just had her, perfume. But we have a Good Girl blusher, liquid blush in Rose Jasmine, and then Fabulous Eyes mascara. I've never tried her makeup. So there is the mascara. And then here is the little baby liquid blush. I'm a huge fan of liquid blush. I don't mind the little tiny sizes because I don't use a lot of, you don't use a lot of liquid makeup, in my opinion. I mean, I don't, especially blush. There's only so much that you can dab on and sheer out, but this is it. It's a very bright color on me, but it looks pretty, I think, once you sheer it out, it gives you like a nice natural flush. So for the grand finale day, we have a Carolina Herrera liquid blush, mascara, and the $10 off $40 beauty purchase at Macy's. All right, guys, that is everything that was in the luxury beauty advent calendar at Macy's. I am pleasantly surprised. This was, I believe, my first advent calendar from Macy's. I don't think I got this last year, but I could be wrong. I've unboxed so many of these. But I am pleasantly surprised with everything that was included. I think this is a great value for people who want to try out a variety of products. Even for someone like me, I try out a bunch of stuff, but there are some new things in here that I don't have. I didn't have the MCM. I didn't have the new Lieb Le Parfum, the Clé de Peau. You know, you have some decent sizes and some great brands in here. YSL, you have Armani. I'm excited to try out the new Carolina Herrera. And I really like that they include a voucher towards your purchase. So you're essentially already getting another $10 off this purchase, because then you use it towards a beauty purchase. But I think this is a great value, especially if you can get it at the discount. There's always tons of sales. Make sure you follow me on my Instagram. Check this out. Check out the 25 Days of Beauty Advent Calendar. Let me know what you guys think of this. I think this is a hit. I like it. I recommend it. But I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you in my next video. Bye.